What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And this episode is going to be special because we're actually going to unbox. Well, it's technically a bunch of packages, but let's just call it an unboxing of a mystery package or a set of mystery packages from Secret Fresh. Secret Fresh, of course, is the art gallery owned by DJ Big Boy Cheng, the Lord Balenciaga, Supreme Lord, and one of the most iconic figures in Philippine streetwear and art here in the Philippines. And he actually gave a bunch of stuff from me from his gallery, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys and show you the loot. Let's go! Now, before we get to the vlog, which I know you guys are excited about, I just want to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, The Fifth Watches. The Fifth is an Australian company that specializes in watches like this one, as well as really kick-ass leather goods. I actually bought their laptop sleeve, a really nice classy black looking sleeve with minimal branding, just perfect for corporate and business environments. But anyway, their products like this watch are high quality and reliable. You can actually check out their website to see what their quality control measure is. They have straps that are made from fantastic leather as well as mesh. And you can even take a look at how affordable the watches are because the prices are just really low compared to a lot of the watches out there today. Lastly, they come up with exclusive products that they drop every month or so that will never be released again. So if you want like a limited watch, a limited edition collection without breaking the bank on your wrist, check them out, The Fifth. By the way, good news, as you guys know, I try to get you as much discount as I can. I was able to hook you guys up with a 15% discount on the watches that they have. So check the description box down below. The details on how to avail of the discount as well as the link to their website can be found there. I will be pulling the items one by one from my side, but I do already have the first item on my list. This is my first ever KAWS art piece. So this apparently is the KAWS Holiday Hong Kong. So this one was really took me by surprise because I've always wanted the KAWS art piece to add to my collection, and this is just really nice of DJ Big Boy Cheng to send over. So as you guys can see, this is the KAWS Holiday in Hong Kong. So if you guys didn't know, there was a viral installation or a viral art exhibit of this one, of it floating in the Hong Kong Bay, but they actually had, I think, to reel it back into the harbor early because I'm not sure if it was a storm or if there was an issue with it, but they had to bring it back. So this one, I'm not too sure if it actually floats on water and if I should let it float on wet water, but since it is KAWS, one of the best artists in the world right now, I'll probably keep it in the packaging and just let it age well. Hopefully, like other art, the price appreciates over time, but who knows? So first item, the KAWS Holiday Hong Kong. Now the next item you guys probably saw in my quintuple or quadruple Jordan unboxing a few days back. This is actually a sneaker that's an exclusive, I think, of Atmos with Lebron. This is also, by the way, my favorite Lebron sneakers. I've been wearing them now, especially since that it's summer, and they just look really kick-ass. I mean, seriously kick-ass. This is the Lebron 16 Low Safari Atmos exclusive. So I already did like the initial unboxing from before, so I'll just take it out of the box quickly and show you guys what the shoe looks like. I mean, take a look at that. It just looks insanely crazy sick. If you guys didn't see the first video, you have multiple layers of materials all over it. You have, of course, that leopard or whatever print along the sides of the sneaker. You have that really nice suede patch that runs along the lateral and the medial side. The swoosh over here that you guys see, the one in orange on the lateral side is made from leather. Oh, by the way, if you flip it to the medial side, it's in some sort of like dark green. And then you have like that elastic mesh along the middle of the shoe with the black laces. And they even have like a zipper guard thing that helps with the foot lockdown because it kind of tightens it a little bit more so that you get that firm lock in if you want to use it for playing hoops. And it also says here Nike Air Max. So I just really love the vibe of the shoe. It's perfect for summer. It's perfect for rocking, especially here in the Philippines. I'm not sure if it actually dropped or if it actually released officially. So not a lot of people will be wearing this shoe. And I'm just thrilled, happy, elated, running out of adjectives to describe how much I appreciate this gift from DJ Big Boy Cheng. Big Boy, Bigs, if you're watching, maraming salamat. I appreciate the friendship. Whatever I can do, man, to help, let me know. So we're not yet done. As you guys see, we have a secret fresh package over here. And this one actually contains some of my favorite slippers, or if you guys want to call them slides. They're not really slides because there's like a thong in between that, you know, sits in the middle of your big toe. So this is actually the collaboration with Islander. Islander is a local slipper brand, and Secret Fresh collaborated with them in different colors, hype colors of their slippers. They actually look really nice, and I think they sell for like less than 500 pesos or less than $10. So this is the colorway that I love the most, in some sort of like Vault Green color, and it even says here in Tagalog the color. Vault Green apparently is luntian. That's the official Tagalog or Filipino word for it. You have the Secret Fresh logo here along the side of the slipper, together with the Islander branding. The black one or the gray one that I have over here is called Abo, or well, in English it's called Ash. They also have an orange one here, which is called Kahel. So that's the Filipino, I think, for like this type of orange color. I also have like the black one. I just can't find where I set it aside, but those are the colors of the Islander Secret Fresh slippers. Of course, we're not yet done. We have a bunch of really cool looking shorts, basketball shorts, that I just want to show you guys. So first one that we have here is in that Boston Celtics color, but it actually has a funny inscription at the middle, at the crotch area. It says birds. So I mean, it's just a witty take, a comedic take on basketball shorts. Of course, Larry Bird, one of the most iconic Celtics players ever. I mean, just a really nice, funny piece, novelty piece that they have over there at Secret Fresh. By the way, they have a lot more of other funny shirts. They have like Off-Wife. Instead of Off-White, it says Off-Wife. So you guys might want to check that out if ever you find yourself over at Secret Fresh Gallery. We also have this in, of course, that Lakers color. It says here, Lebrons. So again, it's that gold and purple color that the Lakers are known for. So those are the two shorts that he threw in with the package that I received. But we're not yet done. We have one more. So this is another package filled with shirts. So let's just take them all out and I'll quickly run them by you guys. So this one is a collaboration, I think. Is it a collab? Yeah, with 13th Street Co. and Just Like Candy, with DJ Big Boy Cheng as the print of the middle of the shirt, of the front of the shirt. That's him wearing like some sort of Supreme Louis Vuitton jacket, eating like a candy. So this one is a shirt with Big Boy at the front. You also have like a Uratex shirt over here. Of course, his family owns Uratex, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, like foam manufacturing company here in the Philippines and in Asia. You have another Uratex shirt in white. You have a pink version of the Big Boy shirt again over here. You have a red version of the Big Boy shirt over here. And you have a black version or a gray version of the shirt. We also have like the official Riff Manila or Riff LA collaboration shirt with Secret Fresh. So if you guys don't know, Riff is one of the biggest reseller stores, one of, or the more well-known reseller stores over in the US. And they actually had a pop-up in collaboration with Secret Fresh. It's currently under renovation, but they will be opening it up again soon. So this is what the shirt looks like. So it says here, good people helping good people. And at the back it says there, Riff LA Secret Fresh. So those guys were all the items that came in the Secret Fresh mystery package or mystery box that I wanted to unbox and open for you guys. Among all of the items that I shared with you, the ones that I'm using the most obviously are the Lebron 16 Lows kick-ass safari build. I mean, I just love that shoe. I've been wearing it often, especially now that it's so hot in the Philippines with the summer. The color is just perfect for the look. Apart from that, we also have, well, I love wearing the slippers. I'm a huge slippers guy, especially when I'm home. The favorite color of mine would definitely be like the Vault colorway or the Luntian colorway. So there you guys have it. That's actually it for today's vlog. I just wanted to unbox and share with you all of the awesome stuff that came in the Secret Fresh mystery package that was sent over by DJ Big Boy Cheng. Now, if you guys didn't see my collab video with Legit Vlogs with Tim when we dropped by DJ Big Boy Cheng's house, please do check it out. I will put the link down below, pinned in the comment section as well as the description box. Also, you guys might want to watch out for that video of Tim in DJ Big Boy Cheng's house when he drops it on his vlog. So make sure that you guys subscribe over to Legit Vlogs. Show him some love, especially since he dropped by here in the Philippines. Guys, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.